After that, then you're going to step number 3. So prepare cash and a bank account. So in here, we're just going to look at the figures we have for our cash, and we're going to look for the figures we have for our bank. Okay, so to calculate the cash, we'll have a look at the start of the question and see do we have any cash. We've got opening cash there of 400. So that's going to go onto the debit side of your cash account. You see here we've got cash payments. So you've got lodgements, general expenses and purchases. Those 3 will just go in as they are. So your lodgements of 110,000, general expenses of 45,800, and your purchase then of 86,200. They'll just go in as they are. Have a look to see if the Murphy had taken anything for personal use. So he's taken stock of 100 per week and cash of 120 per week for household expenses during the year. So you're going to take 120, multiply by 52, and you're going to get 6,240. And that's going to go in there for your drawings figure. And then have a look then to any closing cash, and that will be given to your figures at the end. So we see here we've got cash of 600. So our closing balance for cash will be 600. So you're going to add up all your figures on the credit side, which will give you 248,840. We got 40 on the or 400 on the debit side, so you're going to take that away from your 248,840, and that's going to give you your cash sales then of 248,440. And remember, that's going to be used to help us to calculate our total sales. Your bank debt. Okay, so for your bank, once again, you've got bank payment here. So you've got also your bank lodgements. So you've got your debtors, 34,000 cash, 110,000 dividends, 4,000. They all go in because they're bank lodgements. Bank is an asset. It's going to increase it, so it goes on the debit side. So bank 34,000, debtors 34,000, cash 110,000, dividends 4,000. Your bank then, your bank payments. So you've got creditors, like need, interest, annual premises insurance premium, standing order for charitable organization, and delivery events. So they're all going to go in as they are. So you've got your creditors, light and heat, interest, insurance premium, standing order, and VAT. Have a look in the question, because remember we have an adjustment here later on that says at step 6, adjust for loans and interest, or loans and investments. So have a look in the question to see do we have any investments. So down here we will see that we have the capital sum was repaid in lump sum in the year 2022, and to provide for this the bank was to transfer 1,250 on the last day for each month from Murphy's business bank account into an investment fund. So we've got interest to be paid back here in 2020, so we want to put money aside for that. So we're going to put it into an investment. The amount of money we're going to put into investment is 1,250, and we do that by 4 months. Why is it 4 months? Because we got the loan on the 1st to the 9th, 2014. So we want to put money aside so we can pay for that at the end of the period. So we've got the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, and the 12th. So it's going to be 4 months that we're going to include there. So it's going to be 1,250 multiplied by 4 will give us 500 or 5,000. So what you're going to do is you're going to add up the debit side, add up the credit side, take one away from the other, and you're going to get a balanced figure. So we got a balanced figure here when we add up the debit, take away the credit of 50,600, and that's going to be your bank figure that goes into your balance sheet, and the previous one for your cash, 600, is going to go into your balance sheet then for cash.